Four persons lost their lives and one sustained critical injuries in two separate tragic road accidents in Koraput and Raigada districts. In the first incident, late Wednesday night, two motorcycles collided head-on near a petrol pump at Narayanpatna in Koraput. Two youths died on the spot, while another person was critically injured and shifted to Berhampur for treatment. The victims were residents of Gadabaguda village. Soon after, their families and locals staged a road blockade demanding action, leading to tension in the area. In another accident on Thursday morning, a tipper truck lost control and crashed into a roadside tree near Valeri Kudia village under Gunupur police limits in Raigada. Two persons, identified as Alik Patika and Ajay Palka, died in the mishap, while the driver sustained serious injuries. Police have started investigations in both districts.
भालेरी कुड़िया पाखे गोटे गछ को पिटी हेले जड़े सीवियर था हायर सेंटर को रेफर कलु आउ दुई जन 6टा बेलू रिसीव डेथ पहुंचे।